Chapter 4. Journey of Food. We eat a variety of foods. Our food consists of a wide variety of cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs and meat. We get our food from plants and animals. The food we eat travels a long way before it reaches our plate. Let us try to trace this journey. The beginning of the journey. Farmers grow cereals, pulses, spices, oilseeds, vegetables and fruits in their fields. First of all, farmers prepare the soil by ploughing the fields. They use oxen or tractors to plough their fields. After preparing the soil, they put seeds in the soil. This is called sowing. When the crops grow, they water them at needed intervals. This is called irrigation. They use wells, tube wells and water pumps for irrigation. Farmers add fertilizers and manure to the soil. They also spray pesticides and insecticides to protect their crops from harmful pests and insects. When the crop is ripe, farmers harvest it. They use sickles or machines to harvest the crops. This process of cutting the crops is called harvesting. Farmers separate grains from the harvested crops. This process is called threshing. After threshing, they pack the grains in gunny bags. They send these bags by trucks or other means to wholesale markets or mandis. We also get a few food items from animals. Some people rear animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, etc. People who rear goats and sheep for meat, milk and wool are called livestock farmers. Some people rear cows and buffaloes for their milk. They sell milk and milk products. They are called dairy farmers. Some farmers also rear poultry birds, such as hens and ducks, for their eggs. Fishermen catch fish from rivers and seas and sell in the market. From farm to our house, farmers take the produce to mandis or wholesale markets in nearby towns and cities. Some of the farm and dairy products are taken to factories for processing and packaging. Shopkeepers buy the food items from the wholesale market. They sell them to us. Finally, we cook and eat food. In this way, a food item reaches our plate from the farm or field. Handling food. It is very important to handle the food properly. We should not let our food go spoiled or wasted. Spoilage of food. We should always eat fresh food. Spoiled or stale food can cause diseases or food poisoning. We can save our food from spoilage by following some simple tips. Always keep the food covered. Store the food in a refrigerator. Store dry items like pulses and rice in airtight containers. Wastage of food. We should not waste food. We can avoid wastage of food by following some simple tips. Do not put excess food in your plate at home or at parties. Cook food according to the number of people to be served. Give leftover food to needy people. Store food properly so that it does not become stale.